Testing, 1, 2. Testing, 1, 2. Mhm. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up, guys? This is HH Trader back with another trading video. All right, so let's see what we got this morning. We got MTSL was running up and AEHL. Those are the two movers on the day. I'll see what MTSL can do above VWAP. It's pulling back right now, but we will see. Had quite a bit of a run up from the 679 up here to this 871. I need to look at the daily resistance real quick. Definitely above that $6 level. It jumped up all the way to the 8s. So where is it? Next level of resistance is 983. 983. So we will see. It's like it's getting a little bounce off of this 9 EMA right here. Nice little pullback consolidation. Don't know if this is the backside of the move yet. We'll just see what we can catch off of this. See what kind of action. If it comes down here and tests this 803 again, if it breaks down the 8. Interesting movement. We will see. All right. All right. I do like this setup here. We can hold up that the 2 minutes left. Low of this was the 797. All right. Um, I am liking this as long as it can stay up. Getting bought up there a little bit. Yeah. 25. Can we start to get over that 25? Go back up and test it at least. Yeah. All right. I like it. Got 2 minutes left on this candle. Want to make sure it's not a fake out. Holding up those 20s. About 30 seconds left on this one. There's the 20s. Can we hold the 20s? Entered there. And I just use VWAP as my out. Gonna let that one ride out a little bit. See if we can get some volume up here. Last confirmed level was a 775 right here. So we have a support level, a little bit of a support right here. We have the top resistance of the 883s up there. Can we get through the top of this? This high is the 843. You need to see the 35s back up there. 40s quickly. Can we see those 35s back up there? Trying to give us a little turnaround, but I'm okay. I'm going to hold this one. The VWAP here is the 754. So I'm still pretty safe here. Let it consolidate in this level. Which way does it want to go? Can we get back through the 25s or no? '25s. Can we see the 26s? '26 very quick. Don't see it on the bid though. Need to see it start holding that 25 up here. Getting a little bit of kick down. 647. Looking for it to hold the 8 tens. Nice. Can you see the 11s? Added a little bit more there. Looking for this bounce out of here. So I got 75 shares in right now. Looking for a little bit of a bounce up. It's fought its way back over that 9 EMA twice, so we'll give it a shot. Can we get the 815s back up there? Need the 10s back up there to hold the bid. Looks like it wants to go down and test the 8s. My all out point will be down here at the 750s. I don't know what it wants to do right now. Will it get bought up? We don't know. Looking for it to hold those 10s again. Got in a little bit more there on this one. Looking for it to get bought up here. We have a bottom of the 789s there. See what happens here. Can we get those 25s to start to hold? Resistance level at the 845. Can we see those 30s dropping? Will the 20s come back into play? 20s right there very quickly. It's going to need to break out of this high of the 844. Don't know if it can. And 100 shares right here looking for the move higher. All out will be, well, I'll have to decrease my size and then get all out. But we'll see if it can hold in the 20s here. Can it hold those 10s? Can it get bought up here? 15s, okay. We need to see above the 11s. We need to see 12s, 13s on the bid. There's a 13. There's a 14. Tens back on the bid, getting pushed into. Pushing down some more. Still above the 765. Getting some nice consolidation in here. Can we pull back above that 810? 810 level is becoming a struggle point. Okay. Pulling back in there a little bit. Can we hold the 810s now? Breaking point for this one is the 845. Let's see if we can get a move up there on this. I guess this will be resistance right now. And this one has a high of the 838. Nice little pop right there. Can it hold up? Waiting and watching. Very tight little. This is my entry right here, 825. So very tight on where it is right now. Just looking for that explosion. Can we see over the 10? See the 10s, but it's not breaking those 10s though. Wow. Wow. Selling pressure coming in there. Let's see if it starts to ramp. Will it hold up to 8 now? 801s is what we need to see. 803s right there. Nice. Okay, nice. Across that 11 on the bid, I'll add a little bit. Now it looks a little weak. I thought it was going to be strong here. Let's see what it can do. Can we see above the 10s? Nope. More rejection. I'll wait for the add spot. Yeah, it's just not a good spot right here. Can we get the 08s back on there? Don't see them yet. I do see 09s, 010s. There's a little bit of buying right there. Will it be able to hold the 10s? Nope. Wow. Rejection of the 10s just that quick. Nice little buy up off the 8. See how this candle, oh, this candle looks good. Really, really good. It can hold up. The 809 is where its struggle point is. It needs to break. Waiting and watching for this little break back up. Entry position was the 825. Are we on the backside of the move, or does it still want to go forward or upward? It's 8:13. Markets will be opening in just a bit. Can we see the 95s back up there? Nice. I add a little, or wait, add a little bit down here. Let's see. Let's see. I want to see some green first. Yeah. Get through that 8. There we go. Nice. Nice. Add a little bit there. 105 shares. Need to see the 810s get tapped here. Nice. Add it there. Immediate rejection off the 810. Wow. Entry price is the 825 right, or 823 right now. Can we get another tap of the 810? Wow. Getting rejected there. But it has a nice little flag pattern here. So we will see if it can come out of this thing hot and heavy. Needs to get back across the 8 though. Another tap on the 10. I look to add a little bit more. There it is. Can we get a tap on the 10? Good morning, Daniel B. Can we tap this 10? CLDX. Not getting bought up just yet. $8.18. Let's see if any buyers come in here last minute. I want to be exiting some of this before the open. Let's see. You're watching CLDX and Carve right now. I'll go and look at those in just a moment. Right now, I'm following this flag pattern on MTSL. Nice little getting in here, consolidating, looking for a move up through the 810s. Can we see those 805s? Need to see those 805s quickly. 801. There we go. There we go. Add it there. Final add. Got back up there to the 810 looking for a push. A10 still being a problem here. 820. About 8 minutes to the bell. Waiting for this push out, man. It's taking forever. Break of the 810. I'm in. Average price is 823. So 10 cents away from my average price, 115 shares. Coming down a little bit. Very, very close to my entry level. Plenty of volume. I'm really expecting this thing to get up and get through this thing. Want to see the 805s here. Close of this candle. This candle is closing higher than the previous low. This is a nice flag pattern though. That's the only thing I don't want to let it go because it's a flag, nice flag setup. $801s. Can we get past the 8s? See 802s. Five minutes till the bell. Let's see what happens. Coming down a bit. Will I get smoked here? Got 30 seconds to decide whether I want to exit this whole position or hold into the open. I think I'm going to hold it to the open. MTSL, most volume, most volatility. See if we can get a quick pop. It's 25 cents away from my entry. So we'll see. Looking like it wants to get going. I am now trapped in this position. Cannot get out now. No choice. So we'll see if it can get back up. Can we get those 20s up there? Holding up the 10s. The 10s were a problem for a while. Four minutes left. Can we hold up the 10s? Is the question of the day. Bouncing off the 10s there. Four minutes to the bell. Holding 115 shares. Looking for that break through the 20s. '23s, good. At least I'm green. Be able to take quick profits possibly. Can we push that 25 out of there? There's a 25 very quickly. Couldn't get through it. The last known bottom is right here at the 780s. Got 2 minutes left to the bell. Easing off that 25 there, not looking too good. Looking, waiting, watching. Can we get back into the 20s? We have a minute left until open. $15 seconds left till open. Can we break into the 20s? All right, market is open. Nice, nice. Can we get any more of a push out than that? 30s, nice. Sell some there. Okay, I don't know if it sold me. I think I can't, I don't think I could put an order in, or maybe I did. I don't know. All I know is I am trapped. Okay, it did sell that. So we will see if I can sell the rest of this at a nice price. Selling some, selling. Selling right there at the top. 75 shares left. Selling. 70 shares left. Selling on the way down. 45 shares left. Holding the rest. Can we get the 75 to start to hold? Selling a little bit more there. Selling. 35 shares left. Can we get those 75s? There's the 75s, 80s. Selling a little bit at the top right there. 30 shares left. Not holding. Okay. Selling a little bit there. 25 shares left. Can we get those? So it's really easing down now. Selling a little bit. Don't like that topping tail. Can we get back over the 60s? Okay, sold at the 60s right there. It's 15 shares left. And we'll cross the 50s. I'll go ahead and take a little bit while we're up here. Okay, 66. I have 10 shares left on this one. Can we get the 75s back up there? 75s. Struggling. Taking a little bit there at the 75. Holding 5 shares. Nice bounce out. Selling a little bit on the way down. 4 shares left on this one. Can we hold the 70s? Struggling to hold the 70s, taking profit. Struggling to hold the 60s, taking profit. 2 shares left. 60s, taking profit off there. It's getting a little bit weak. I got 1 share left. I may go ahead and peel it off if it breaks the 50 here. Yep, all out right there. Nice little rip. $50 rip right there on that trade. Was kind of scared holding into the open, but the setup, that flag pattern was beautiful. Anyway, nice little trade right there. $51 rip. SCTX did the same thing, but I wasn't too interested because it was on a lower price, and lower prices just don't give as much. But anyway, I'll continue watching MTSL for more entries. Carve popping up there. Carve. Man, I was nervous in that trade. I was really nervous. My buckets are of sweater full right now. Anyway, MTSL looking like it's going to take a little dip here, which is why I wasn't trying to hold it. Just a quick 115 share scalp off that in that 5-minute candle. And now look at it. If I didn't take those, think about where I would be. My entry price was right here at the 23, right here. So it's all the way back down to my entry price. And now just wait for more strength if it can give it. Wait for a little bit of consolidation. So that was a nice, I don't even know how much I got on each one of those. 63 cents looks like the top grab. That was the most that I got right at the top. Anyway, nice little grab. Carve did the job for you. Let me look at Carve. Where is it? Yeah, but Daniel B, you're rich. So Carve could, yeah, Carve definitely could do the job for you. Big bucks, no whammies. Oh yeah. What's up, One Life? What's up, Daniel B? And to all the people that are in on YouTube, make sure you hit the like button. I don't know, the like button seems to need injuring. It just never gets injured. So make sure you hit that like button if you enjoy the content. I know that trade was quick and I actually entered it back here in pre-market. I usually do not hold in the open, but this flag pattern here was just too good. Too good for me. So now I have about $500 left to trade today. We'll see. I may play small ball just to keep my profit like I usually do. But this is why I didn't want to hold this. I knew that it was going to give that upward movement, but this right here would have killed me. CETX still on the scanner. AEHL. I don't even think anything had news on the day. Like this one has no news. CETX I think is the same way with no news. So that's crazy, man. Everything was strong for just a second and then now it's off my scanner. That's crazy. I would have got absolutely destroyed. Um, I saw Monkey's changing his style. One trade, 4K available per trade. Who is Monkey? SGOC halted up. SGOC is ridiculous. It is just insane. Let me go look at it. Mm, mm, mm. One Life, did you catch that one? SGOC or DB? Did y'all catch this one? From the 16 up to the 1957. See, the thing about SGOC, man, I was scared of it. Oh, the boom 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 guy. Okay, Trading Monkey. Trading Monkey is who you're talking about. Yeah, I really don't keep up with a lot of traders. I mean, I just want to make money and grow this account. I really don't, you know, keep up with a lot, so I don't actually get to watch a lot of them because I do have an actual job outside of this. So I just make my money, go make more money. But sometimes I do get to watch them, but it's just very rare. AEHL. What does it want to do today? It's $4. What's the daily resistance up here? Woo. Daily resistance top side is the 772. That's one of them. Possibly. I don't know if it can get up that high. Then it has a little bit, I'll call 630 another level of resistance. MDIA popping up there on the scanner for some reason. Very, very low float. I probably need to research these because I didn't actually research either one of these. AEHL. They need to do pullbacks anyway. Biz. Trade halt. Okay. I'm missing something. Ooh, it's storming outside. Oh boy. Hey, yo, the power popped off this morning. I was scared to do the stream. You know, the power popped off multiple times, so I don't really want to get caught in in some problems. because it is not playing out here in the Mississippi. And I am kind of in a rural type area, so out here, man, the telephone post can snap in an instant. Tornado Alley, baby, where we live on the edge every single day. All right, so the float in AEHL is 2.18 according to FinViz. Float is 3.21. Okay, does it have any crazy shelf? It does have a shelf registration for last year. MDIA is halted. Haha, yeah. You know what? I wouldn't even consider myself a professional. I just want another source of income that's I mean, trading is risky, but it can be reliable. You know what I'm saying? Just take the profit, get paid, cuz when I woke up, I wasn't up $50. I mean, when I woke up, you know, I was thinking about eating a bowl of cereal. So anyway, AEHL still paddling around, does have that. Now let me go check on MDIA. I don't know what's up with that one. MDIA. All right, MDIA has a 1.91 million float, very low float, and then no shelf registrations. So we will see what it wants to do. It just doesn't have real volume, but with the way that my scanner is set up, I want to be able to see them even if they don't have real volume yet. So I don't want to get caught slipping in this one. Had news from the 8th. Last news was a Form 3. Don't know how that's going to look in a couple of seconds once it opens up, but we will watch it. AEHL has not done my pullback yet, so I'm not interested in that one. CETX. Not really paying that much. It looks like 2 or 3 cents there. AEHL just kind of like a scalp trap, you know, pushes up, you buy for higher, and then it rips down. Well, let's watch this rip. Let's watch this rip down. And then let me go see what time MDIA is supposed to be opening up as well. Man, you know what? Now the rain is a problem, but where I live and kind of how woody it is around here, when it rains, everything sprouts, everything blossoms. And you would think, oh, it's beautiful. No, the grass needs to be cut all the time. Like 2 days tops, you're gonna be back out there cutting the grass. Like half my money during the summertime goes to gas. Cutting trees, and then that's another thing, storms blowing down trees, snapping trees, and I have to go and move them by myself. Sometimes I have help, but for the most part I'm moving probably like a 300-pound trunk for no reason, and then burning it because you can't sit it on the side of the road. The garbage man can't pick that up. So I just burn it. People always think I'm having bonfires all the time, but no, it's torture. All right, CETX pulling back there. MDIA, trade halts. MDIA at the 40.32. It should be opening up in a couple of seconds. Oh, it is open. Well, dang it. All right, but it doesn't have volume, so I'm not interested anyway. Doesn't even matter to me. Look at that. Look at that. No volume to hold it up. We'll wait and see what kind of moves it wants to do. But right now, I'm not interested. AEHL doing its thing as well. Ripping down. Oh, it double topped up there, didn't it? 495 right there is a double top. Man, I ain't buying a dip on this thing. This thing has no news. This thing has no reason to pop back up. And it's a double top rejection off that 495. This isn't the kind of dip I like. I like the unexpected dips. This dip was too predictable. All right, MDIA. I'm gonna let that count. Look how it's popping and locking. Pop and lock. Only reason it's popping and locking like that is because there's not a lot of volume and people are just getting ready to get slaughtered. All right, AEHL. Okay, getting a little extended. Getting a little bit more extension on this dip. Plenty of volume on AEHL though. But that is a deep, deep dip. You had a few appointments with contractors to do work at the money pit. The money pit. You know, that sounds like something you'd be into. Just a pit full of money, you know. All you leprechauns guarding your gold. Oh, let's see. MDIA. Still struggling there. Wow, AE. See, this is why I didn't want to buy the dip on this, man. It's ridiculous. Let me go and see what happened to that one that I just scalped. MTSL. Wow, glad I didn't hold that one. All right, CETX still has not set up in what I like. Wow, MDIA, huge rip down. This is why I don't buy the dip on these. 569 all the way down to the $5. So 69-cent loss. CRTD halted. Does it have news? Created hits key milestone of over 3,000 vocal plus subscribers and confirms revenue guidance. Okay. All right. This one has totally slowed down there at the bottom. We're waiting on a couple of these halted stocks. These moves are very insignificant. Let's see. What is this? Came from the $1, breached the $2, but can it hold the 2? Daily resistance up here. Got a little bit of resistance at the 254. Whatever. 254. I don't like that. That might go and test that 254 and come back down real quick. AEHL diving on through the VWAP. Everything diving now. We'll watch CRTD come out. Anything else to look at? CETX. CETX has a float of 16.96 million in the float. $16.96. Shelf registrations for last year or 2020. Add that to my notes. $6 million shelf 2020. All right, AEHL. I think I looked this one up but didn't add it to the notes. Doesn't look like it's going to be around for long anyway. AEHL. Okay. Float 2.1. Float 3.21. Then shelf registration. Okay. Add that to the notes. 2 to 3 million in the float. Shelf 2020. Hopefully you guys can hear me loud and clear. I did get the new mic in, and it has some pretty nice suppression rates on it and things like that, and I was able to tinker with it a little bit. On the brink of explosion, of course. Okay, CRTD. Yeah, all these stocks are definitely not looking good. Except for CETX, but I don't like CETX. MDIA, still struggling. The good thing about MDIA is it has no shelf registration, so that's one good thing. Just a low float mover. $1.8, 1.9. So we put 2 million in there on the float of MDIA. 2 mil. Then CRTD pop back up here as well. What time is this thing supposed to be opening? CRTD. $9:48.51. It should have been open, I believe. Should be opening up in a couple of seconds. See what it does. Okay, it did not pop open right there like I thought it was. 48, so it should have opened up on the 40 or the 53. So yeah, it's a 10-minute halt on CRTD. Everything is fading, but it's okay. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Sitting with 50 bucks in my pocket already on the morning, so it's all good. CETX has not given any pullbacks. The top side was at 54, which it looks like it hit and is getting rejection up there now. right here on this daily chart where I marked. So it hit that top and it looks like it's ready to dive. NEWA popping in there. Let's see any news on that one. Wall Street cautiously mixed open. U.S. futures mixed. Form 6K on New Water or Knee Water. I don't know how to pronounce that. Knee Water, New Water. All right, let me go and research that real quick. New Water. NEA. Float on NEWA is looking like 5.61 million. Yeah, 5.61 million both at Finviz and Yahoo Finance. Let's see. Okay. No shelf registrations. So let me add that to the notes. Newer. 5.6 something million. I already forgot. 61 million. I just round it up and say 6 million. All right. We'll be waiting for it to see which one of these is going to be the one on the day. CETX, I know it's not going to be the one. It's going to come on down. This one's getting some pops here. Still trying to build that volume. This one's coming on down. CETX right now is the biggest volume mover right now, up 55%. So I'll definitely be watching it. I don't know if it can break that previous high. Let's see, it's made a move from 190 up to 215, from 205 up to 25. So 20-cent moves on this one. I don't think it can pay me like that, so stay away from that one. Newa still needs to do a pullback. Man, MDIA, man. Such a low float. Lowest float, just not getting any love. Okay, CTRD. Wow, that thing dipped down far. How did it come down this far? Okay, so this candle opened here. Did it gap down after that? I don't know. Whatever happened. I don't trust it. Wait for a pullback. Wow. So nice dip right there. Needs to stay above this halt level, which was the 511s. We'll put that as a support. 511s. Did not look up CRTD. CRTD. 7.15, 7.82. With the shelf registration for this year. So CD does have a shelf on it, going back into a halt. 7 point whatever I just said, 7 million with a shelf from this year, 2021. Not my type of setup, man. Let's see where the next resistance level is. Seems to be some at the 614. The next one looks to be this. Man, let me make this thing bigger. I can barely see it. All right, 675. We'll see if this becomes a support right here. 612, 610 level. But I don't know. We will see. CETX did break the VWAP. Wow. Okay, MDIA. I need to see a pullback, and I will be interested in this one. I do like it. Just need to see a pullback. Top side is the, oh my goodness, we might not get a pullback here. Such a low float. Yeah, this one may not give it to us. Love to see some rejection up here. I'm not interested in entry right now, though. Resistance level 569. Can we get that nice pullback? Hey, 540 is back on there. Okay. This one's got 2 minutes left on this candle. Very, very low float. Oh, wow. It's gone. It's going. It's going through that. Yep. Got a little touch. Yeah. Just did not give me the pullback that I was looking for. Oh, well. All right. We will look to see if anything else is trying to play ball today. NEWA still hasn't given a good pullback either. Let me see what time CRTD is supposed to be opening up. CRTD. 10:01:11, so it should be opening up at the 10:05:11 or the 10:06:11. 10:06:11, so another minute or so. I'll watch MDIA to see if it can pull back and continue an uptrend. If not, I'm not interested. Wow, NEWA got up there and gave a big, big stomp down. Hammer candle. Need a pullback here, though. Last confirmed bottom was right at the $5 level. So put that as a support down here. Let's see what kind of action it gets over that. We have a bit of a range here. The top side resistance now is the 75-ish area. TX. This one should be opening up. I think it's the 0611 that is supposed to be opening up on CRTD. Will media go ahead and break that VWAP down? It's got a couple minutes, so I'll just wait on that one. I'm gonna watch CRTD come out right here on the 11. Should be opening. Or is this another one of those long halts? Yeah, this is another long halt, so another 10-minute halt. Media going down there and breaking the VWAP. Wow, big breaks. Not buying that dip. Look at the 15-minute. Look at this. Look at this. All that pressure. Okay, new nothing else really looks like it wants to play ball. So I'll be focused on CRTD to come out of that 10-minute halt. Oh. It's gonna be fun. Gonna be real fun. While I'm waiting, let me go and pull my... If you're not already subscribed on YouTube, please make sure that you subscribe. If you're on Twitch, make sure that you hit that follow button. If you've already done so, thank you so much for showing some love to the channel. FIGS. Wait a minute. Oh, wow. What in the world? There's no way. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm getting paid this week, baby. All right, let's get it. Looks like I got a nice week ahead of me. MDIA did get the pullback, but snapped through VWAP. It's a little bit of weakness. CT, NUA. All right, so a $10, a halt time on this one to open is 10-11, 10-11-11. If it's a 10-minute halt. CETX did take the dive, could not hold up. I kind of figured it was going to get back to the $2 level. Who's going to be the one on the day? Let's see. Let's carve. Okay, we got Works popping in. We got Seed popping in. Low volumes. We just have to observe for a little bit on those. Works. Does this one have news or something? Somebody resigned. Mark D. Shelfs resigned as director of company, including his positions as chairman of the board. Okay. All right, so we're coming into the open. If this is a 10-minute halt, we should be seeing an open here 11:11. So 11 seconds, 10 seconds. Let's see if we can get a higher open and a dip. Can we get that dip? Give us the dip. Give us the dip. There we go. I like the dip. I like it. Can we get the pull back up? Nice. Entered there. Playing small ball. Can we get the 40s back up there? Nope. 40s. Add it there. Looking for the pop. 10 shares in. Can we get the 60s? Struggling to keep the 50s there. I will be out on the VWAP, which is 571 right now. Looking for that pop through. Looking for the pop. 570. 569. And that's for 10 shares. Be ready to sell if it breaks the VWAP. Cool. Looks like that one went into a halt. Only 10 shares in. Man, I was looking for that pop back up. Didn't give it to me. Cancel that order. And on 10 shares, if I lose $1, entry price was $6.46, so $1 would be $10. 646, 546 is my all out, just a $10 drop. So that'll be my stop, just 10 bucks. All right. Seed also going up, and away. Don't really want that one. Works. All these need to do pullbacks though. It's the only problem. MDIA. We'll see if it can get up. It's kind of closing the range in here. So I'll be focused on CRTD, which I thought was going to give us a pop. Bought that dip, gave us a little crash down. I didn't enter big, so it doesn't really matter. Let me check my email. Risking 10 bucks on that trade. Okay, he did not send that over yet. Newa trying to get back out of there. Seed got halted. CRTD. I wonder, will this be a 10-minute halt and will it open up way lower? Way lower. Will it hold the $5? That's why I think I'm going to place this one at the 5. I'm okay with losing a little bit more. It's not like I'm going to be red on the day. So that's where I'm going to be looking for the breakdown. $4.99 there on those 10 shares. If it breaks the 5, I'm out. Because that looks like where it's trying to go. A lot of shorting pressure there. Let's see what time it's supposed to be opening up. Seed. CRTD. Halted at the 1306. Should be opening at the 1806. We will see where it opens. Can it continue higher? 510. I'm going to put it on the first halt, right under the first halt level there. 510 to sell. I'll be out down there. Because if it passes that first halt level, I know it's weak. So here goes the open. Should be. Did not open, so it's another 10-minute halt. May gap down quite a bit. But if it passes this 510, I'll just be out. Whatever. All right, CETX. Not looking good. Media went down there, or MDIA went down there to the 5s again. Getting off the scanner. Seed still needs to do a pullback. NUA. CETX. All right, we will see. CLWT popping up there on the scanner. No news or anything, just kind of riding it up. CLWT looks like it's got all the way to the top, tip top of the daily chart. I don't trust it, and I don't like how it's trading. CRTD. 1013, 1018. So it's going to open up on the 1023.06 possibly. We'll see. 1023.06. So that's in 3 minutes. CETX. NUA. Can we get that pullback above VWAP though? I don't even know if y'all can hear that storm outside, but it's going down. It's going down for real. All right, NUA, look at it. NUA is getting on up there. I'm looking for a pullback. It has a nice topping tail here at the 518. It's ran too much for me to be entering here. So I'll go ahead and throw that resistance level up there, 518s. getting pushed down a little bit. Seed also finally pulling back. 2 more minutes for CRTD to be making this decision as well. Last known level of support is at the 450 here. And let's see. Everything else just doesn't look good. Newer getting absolutely destroyed. Somebody got something against Newer. See where this thing opens up, man. 2306 is opening. Here we go. Should be opening just a couple of seconds. Open down there. Pop. The low here is a 535. 535. Like I said, my all out is through this 510 level. If it can't hold up, not willing to add anything to this one though. So I'm now down 10 bucks on this one. We'll see if we can push back up or not. Whatever. Got me out right there. I'm okay with that. I'm still up 37 bucks on the day, so I'm okay. Nice little dive down though. Let's see. 20 bucks off of me right there. Let's look for the next good setup. Don't like that one already. Oh, it's finally giving a pullback, huh? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. What does Newer want to do here? Never gave our pullback that I'm looking for, so Newer making monster moves. Wow. Got up there to that same level. I'm looking for some nice pullback here. Seed works. CRTD. All right, well, Newer is looking like the new fan favorite. You can get 82 shares of this, so I'll be looking to capitalize. I did not think it would have this type of movement behind this last 15-minute topping tail. I don't know how much the pullback will be on this one. It's moved out from the 18 up to the 31. That's a nice 20 or yeah, almost 20-cent move there. Glad I didn't hold CRTD. Looks like it's wanting to go ahead and go on down, challenging that level. Broke my setup. I don't even know if it will set up again now this volatile. Finally given a little bit of rejection, so it reached the top of the 540s. That was nasty. Works. Not really interested in that one. All right. So how far are we going to pull back here? Last known bottom was the 450s. Looking for quite a drop. There's a little bit of a drop. What was the top that it reached? 540s. Okay. Let it get a little bit of consolidation. On that last candle, it had over 1 million shares traded, which is nice, but I kind of missed the move there because it didn't set up in my what I look for. 460 is what it needs to hold above. All right, works. Trying to fire up. Lost all its volume down here. Just not looking good on the volume side, but it probably will shoot. But I just don't want any parts of it, I guess. Nah, leave that one alone. It's like it's going to continue. Will it break the 15? This move is from the 02 to the 15. That's an okay move, but still not what I'm looking for. Newa did take a dive there. Just never could set up like I wanted it to. Works getting pushed down as well. All right, so things are just not looking good for any entries for me. Maybe after some consolidation they'll set up, but I don't know. Last known low point here was the 450, and it made it almost halfway back to that level. So a lot of momentum going down. This one just about sitting still. Got to hold up that 210. SUMR popping up there. Does this one have news or something? No news, just popping. Not even really moving. Got to give a pullback for me. Newer popping down heavy here. Heavy. Did break the bottom of this green candle. Really don't like it because it didn't even pop back up. It's just going down now. So last known was the 450. Look how close it is to this 450. 8 cents away. 6 cents away. Not good. CRTD trying to find a bottom. Works. Wow. SUMR to the moon. Wait a minute. When did I just see this? I saw this like, I don't know. It just broke the 200 moving average on a daily chart, which is the 1577. Has a little bit of resistance up here at the 19s. I'll put that as resistance. Still has really low volume. So it's making these big moves on very low volume. Wow, look at those pops. Very low volume. So I'm waiting for a pullback on that one. Very low float though. And actually I didn't do any kind of research on this one. SUMR is the ticker. Shelf. Oh, back in 2017, that shelf's pretty much outdated. Float is under 1 million. So nice. It's not reached its float yet. You going on down. Works going on down. Seed going on down. So SUMR looking like the best one for right. Wait, what is that? Seed. SUMR. We'll see what happens. And we get a nice pullback. It may be going back under the 200 moving average, which is the 1596. We will see. A lot of popping here. Back under the 200 moving average. Yeah, it's just a little bit too much popping. I like it to get a little bit smoother. Because right now, that's kind of dangerous moves right there. Doesn't really give you time to think. All right, SUMR back up there. This thing just looks like it wants to take a dive, man. SGOC. Look at that boy rip. Wow. Are you already in it? One life? Gapped up. Blah, blah, blah. Amazing little rip there. $20.83. Oh yeah, you got a great entry. Can't wait till I have money to blow like that. Then I'll be looking at stuff like this. But right now, cheaper the better. Yeah, that is a good entry. We will see. So this one's halted, came down, halted, dropped. Is it getting heavy here? Is that what's happening? Okay. Buyers are still interested. Ooh, flip that bias quick. CRTD. CRTD also making its way up. Gonna have to give us a pullback. CETX. All right. So we will see about that one. Looks like it's just coming up to try to do a gap fill at the 576. Put that as a resistance level. 576 right there. It's like it's slowing down a lot though. Seed has a 200 moving average up there at the 1411. Let's see if it can give a pullback. So we got our resistance up here. Last known bottom 1075 possible. We'll be looking for a pullback on that one. CRTD did get absolutely destroyed off the VWAP. So seed. See what you can do, seed. Let me see how you're doing over here on SGOC. Ooh, I know you took some profit off of that. I know you had to take profit off that. There's no way you'll be holding that. Yeah, I was about to say, you made a nice little bit. Ooh, SGOC. I mean, it still looks like it still has a little power up, you know, can go a bit higher. Look at One Life getting paid. Look at him getting paid, man. May start to form a flag pattern. I don't really know. We'll see. Seed works. Trying to get back up there again. Has a range here of the 220s. Not really interesting. Okay. This one's coming back up. $14.69. Looks like there are a lot of orders being placed, but nothing's actually going through because of volume. Now it's rising. We will see. How many shares of this can I get? I can get like 25 shares of this with this last $427. Hmm. I'll wait for the pullback. This candle has a couple seconds, a minute to close. Getting on up there to the 16. I'm gonna have to see a pullback on this one. The 200 moving average was the 596. So it cracked the 200 moving average. I just want to see a pullback now. Back up to the 96. Can we get that pullback? Got 4 minutes left on this candle. 4 minutes left on this candle. Mm-hmm. Can it hold up VWAP? $16 break. $16.01. Hmm. Let me go check old SGOC real quick. Man, congratulations, One Life. Amazing entry, amazing exits, all around nice trade. HIOH, gotta give pullbacks. I like this one. I can use this as my out of the 1528 down here. But I'm gonna let this candle close up. It is a red candle. Just want to see how it's gonna close. Got 2 minutes left on it. CRTD losing everything. Seed not looking good. All right, I like this one. See if we can start to hold that $quarter level of the 75. I play small ball on this one because I can make a lot on it. 70s. Coming to the close of this candle. Hold up. Hold up. Don't go failing now. 602s, 1605. Just in case, put the 1605 up there. $10 shares. About to close. Got my buy order up there at 1605. I want to see a break. Now I just use this as my out. It's low of the 1527. See which way it wants to go. Should have opened up a new candle here. Sitting almost absolutely still. FOMO mode on what? SGOC? Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's how it happens sometimes, man. Congratulations on what you did get, though. Break of the 16 is what we're looking for. 16. $16.01. Not seeing the volume come in for it. Don't see it yet. I do like the setup though. Coming down. Can it pull back off that VWAP? Nope. How far will it go down? Can it pull back up? All right, so seed, CETX. Yeah, that's crazy. One Life. That thing, man, it just made you take profit and then jumped up another $2. Oh my goodness. It's a monster move. Maybe you should have held one share. Can we start to hold those 50s? Work our way back up. It's not look like a lot of interest down here. See the 43 up there, 45s. The high of this one is the 1580s. 81. Five seconds left to the new candle. Don't see the 50s on the bid yet. Haven't seen any motion. See the 50 on the bid right there. A lot of 56s. Questionable. Looking for the break of the 81 here. Looking for the 55s to start holding on the bid. Very, very slow mover. Volume is dried up. Okay, there we go. Put my buy order out there. Be out down here at the 1554. Looking for a quick rip. '60s on the bid. Okay. Bottom of this candle is the low of the 56. All right. Giving us a little bit of red. Popping back off of that. The high of this one is a 1565, 1571. Wow, that thing dropped a lot to the 1513s on the bid. All of the buyers just jumped out of there. 1510. That's a long fall. Yep. All the way down there. So, nope. What did SGOC end up doing? Okay, it went up, came out of this halt, went up a little bit. Nice. Seed trying to get up. So the 11 kind of held, not really. A support down here at the 11s. A little bit support, and these are very tight support ranges. So if one breaks, they all can break real easy. This one does have a shelf registration for this year. Let's see if we can stay in the uptrend. Wow. This thing's still going to the moon. Nice. All right, how many shares of this one can I get? 34 shares. I'll do 30 on a nice dip. Not really interested right now. SGOC. Double topped up there at the $28. That's a nice reversal signal. We'll see. Got the 200 moving average up there at the 14. Finally giving a little bit of a pullback. If this pullback fails, I might go ahead and just walk away for the day. I mean, I'm green, 37 bucks, almost 40 bucks. So why risk it? I lost the $20 on 10 shares on that other one. So I'm like, just walk away with green profit. Start the week off Monday morning. Glad the power stayed on through the stream. A lot of things went my way, so why risk it, right? Just need to see a pullback here. Wow. Somebody was just buying right there. I guess they bought that dip, but I'm not really interested in that. I want to see a full confirmation above VWAP. Right. Where the SGOC end up going? Yeah, it looks like it's reached the final parts of its move, so wouldn't want to be buying up there. 1269. Four minutes left on this candle. Looking really, really heavy across this level of the 1282. Yeah, Daniel B, that's some lunacy. Gave a little peek out, but has not given a pullback, so I'm still not interested. Can definitely fall a ways. Not giving me the setup I'm looking for. Well, at least it's above VWAP. That's all I can say. The resistance up here, high was a 1340 resistance level. Oh boy. How much volume has it been getting on these last couple of candles? The most volume it got was 769,000 on one candle. Then from there, it's just been downhill, looks like. Seems like the volume should have been increasing. Origin, Architect, expands GMO trait portfolio. Still not planning on pulling back, is it? Be ducking for cover soon. The storm keeps coming through like this. Can we finally get a pullback? Let's see. So we got 5 million on this day, 1 million on this day, 5 million on this day. What was it getting on a regular day? When was the last time they got millions traded on it? Don't really see any millions anywhere. Giving a pullback there. Still don't like it. This is the first pullback that it's had in all of this extension. So let's see. 1, 2, or 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes of higher lows. It looks like it wants to try to break one. Looking real tight. Let's go back over to SGOC. Gave that dip. It's now moving down. All right, well, it's an okay day. Walking away with 37 bucks, so I'm not feeling horrible. Just tried to break that bottom. The bottom here is the low of the 1250 that's trying to hold. I doubt it's gonna hold. Very yeah, about to say very heavy. Yeah, if nothing happens before 10:30, I'll just close the stream because I don't feel like risking. I mean, I'm about to make a lot of money today anyway, so I'm just going to let the markets do their thing and, be wise today, because this one, it's just not moving the way that I like them to move. Even if I come back and it's broken the 200 moving average and it's up to like $20, I'll still be okay because today was a green day. 1020s. Maintenance. Ooh, I got a lot of those. All right. Room center drive. Okay. That is a lot of stuff. SGOC. Building back up. Okay, there we go. Seed, gonna play small ball on it. If it can stay above, okay, it's giving a dip. This will be my exit, 1237. It's looking okay. Let's see if it can come down a little bit more. Oh, that's a lot more. Seed, man. Let me add a study, and I will say just add volume. All right, so I see the volume today was 6 million. MDIA. What in the world? Is it halted? Don't really like that setup. See, just moving very small cents now. But MDIA got down here to the 445s. Was that a previous? Yeah, it looks like the previous high right here. 450 level. Support. All right. SUMR popping back up there. 1569, 1570s. Very small volume, but I do like the setup. CETX going up there. Seed, I'm just gonna leave alone. Just not looking good. 1543s. This thing can drop all the way back to the 15s on the bid. So it can drop 43 cents right now. 1571. The high here was the 13, which seems to be the struggle point for it. Even if it goes, it'll just go without me. I have no plan of entry. Wow. Oh well. FOMO is real, but my fingers are away from the buttons. So just gonna chill. Wow. 200 moving average. It does have a shelf registration for this year though, which may slow it down. Did not touch the top right there. Got rejection before the top. Ooh. Getting slaughtered down here, isn't it? Oh. Uh-oh. Baptism by fire. Uh-oh. All right, MDIA. I actually wanted to look at summer. All right, guys. So I'm really not seeing anything that I really want to stick my money into. I think I'm gonna walk away with what I have. I have $37.83, and I have $427 that will be going into the other side of the account for tomorrow. I'm just going to take my hands off and just chill because I feel like I'm going to get hurt if I play around with these stocks. So here's my buys and sales today. Made a highest take was 63 cents on MTSL. All of my wins were on MTSL. I did take one loss on CRTD on 10 shares, $1.39. That's a $10 and a little bit, 39 cents, $13, my bad, $13.90 on that trade. And then here are my transactions for today. Got my buys and my sales in here. And yeah, that's it for today. I'm not going to take any more trades today because I just feel that red day coming if I do. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day. If you're going to continue trading, please be careful. If you took profit, congratulations. Hopefully you enjoyed the stream. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. If you're on Twitch, make sure you hit the follow button. And we will be back tomorrow morning. I think that's everything I need to go over. Yep. All right. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.